We will be assembling a 60 units Kusudama, and the form will be following this. We have 5 and also 3, and we are forming this is called a deltoid, and this deltoid we have 5 here, and we just repeat this center around all these edges, and we will form our whole complete. So just take this one and we form square, which is the deltoid, and this is one, and this connect to another one. And when we have and we have 4 here, and this is basically one deltoid and correspond to one side here. So we'll continue on with here. It's always a deltoid. So this is one edge of the deltoid, and form 3 more. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Okay, so it's a bit flimsy right now, but just do take care and be careful. So continue on. We have 2 already, and just continue on like this. Just go around, and this is one side, and add 3 more to form a deltoid. 1, 2, and 3, and connect it back here. And so right now, 1 here, one deltoid, 2 deltoid, 3 deltoid. So 3. So let's do 1 more. So we will add 3 here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, do take note that we already have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which correspond to this center, and final deltoid will be just here. You can see we have 2 pieces already, so just add 2 more. One and 2. Okay. So we want to push the one that has 3 to near to this 5. So you can see this is the 3. So 3 here. 3, 3, 3, and we have 2 here at the side. Okay, continue on. We will just have to pick one side here. Let's say this one. This is the 2, and this one will be the base for our center right now. As you can see, we have one deltoid here already, 4 pieces, and we will continue on. So it might get a little tricky, so just be careful. And as you can see, at the same time, we do have these 2 sides already. So basically just add 2 more. One, 2. Right. This is basically just connect these 2 sides, these 2, and we form a deltoid here. I just go around, 1 deltoid here already, 1 here, just continue here. Oh, okay, wrong. We have to add 2. Okay. 1 deltoid, 2 deltoid, 3 deltoid. Let's continue here. The 4th one. Add 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And as we have added, you will see that we have 2 sides here already. And actually we do have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Because remember that this one's supposed to be a 3. So this one has to be complete. So we just add 1 more. Okay. And after doing this, we have 2 of the 5s already. So 1 here, 5. And besides the 5 is all 3s. Like this. Right, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And this is another 5. And besides it is all 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. And we'll just continue on. Just go around. And the one that we want to pick, just go around here. So this is the next. So 1 here. This is the next 5. Just continue on this one. And so just as also like this one, we have 2 sides of the deltoid here already, because this is a 3, so 2 sides. Just add 2 more. 1 here and 1 here. So 1 deltoid here, 2, 3, 1 here, 2, 3, and we will have the 4th one here, but we need to add 3 pieces. One, 2, 3. And connect it back this one. Okay. And just recall here, so 1 deltoid, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one here. And also that you can see that we have 3 of the sides of the delta already. 1, 2, 3. So just add one more here. And essentially we have formed 3 of the 5s. 1 here, 2, 3. 3 of the 5 basically means this one. And this is repeated across the sides. And we'll continue on. And this is a 5, 5. So the next 5 we want to construct is this one. So you can see here, we already have 1 deltoid. We have 2 deltoids. So 1 here, 1 here, and just continue on. And to do this we just need to add 2 more. 1 and 2. Connect it back here, right? So 1 deltoid, 2 deltoid, 3 deltoid, then 4th and 5th here. So for this one we need to add 3, 1 here, 2, 3, and connect back to this one. And for the 5th deltoid, we already have all 3 sides. 1 side here, 2, 3. So this is a 3. This is supposed to be a 3. So just connect these 2. Okay. So we now have 5, 5 here. This is the center one. 1 here, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So we have 2 more. 2 more to go. Let's continue on. So the one that we want to go is here. So you can see, right, there will always be 3 besides the 5. So this is a 5. We have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So opposite here is a 5. So this one we want to make it a 5. And inspect here, we have 1 deltoid here already, 2 deltoid. And let's continue on this side. And so this is actually the 2 sides of a deltoid already. We have here 1 and 2. Because this is a 3, so we cannot add anymore. We have to use this side. So just add 2 more to complete the deltoid. Okay, and we have 3 deltoids, 1, 2, 3. So the fourth one is we want to here add 3 pieces. 1 here, 2, and 3, and connect back here. And the final one is always just adding 1, because we have the 3 sides of the deltoid. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the final one just these 2. And I believe we have the last one. So let's recap. This is 5. So next 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last 5 we want to construct is this one. And as you can see, yeah. So the last one we actually have 4 already, because we start from here, and this one is the last one. And if we look here, there is actually 2 sides of the deltoid, so just add 2 more. One, 2, and connect to this one, not this one, this one. Right, why is it? Because this is already a 3. We do not want to add anymore. It's always only a 3 and 5s. And the final one is just I think we have already completed the deltoid here. So as you can see, it's actually no, so one more here, one more here. Yep. Okay. And we only have a handful left. So let's check back, make sure that we are all correct. So this is a 5, or besides a 5 will be all 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of this is 3. And beside here, so let's like this one, we go to the opposite here. This is a 5, like this, go this side. This is a 5, and all the sides are 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. This one 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. The second, this is a third 5, and all this is 3. Fourth, this one, all here is 3. Fifth. Okay, and continue on. And for this one, we just want to make sure that this is all correct, right? So we have how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, we're supposed to have 10. Okay, 10 of this thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where's the 10th one? Haha. I think this is this one. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and we want to identify the fives, right? Let's assume like this is the point, the center point here. So we're going to identify the next 5. So the next 5 will be just opposite of these 2 3s. So this is the 5. And we'll continue on. So you see that there's 2 deltoids here. So we'll just continue on like this. As you can see, we have 2 sides here already. So add 2 more. Okay. And we have how many? 1, 2, 3. So let's continue the 4th deltoid. 1, 2, 3, and connect back this one. And for the fifth deltoid, 1, 2, 3, right? So 1, 2, 3. So these two. So go back to this one. This is the one that we just did 5, and there's 5 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each of these has 3 petals. And the next 5 that we are going to do, you will see that there is already 4 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And we will just complete this deltoid here. This deltoid, as you can see, there is 2 petals here already. 1 and 2. Add 2 more. 1 and 2. And now this is completed. This is completed. And to inspect, right, how many sides of deltoid you have here? 1, 2, 3. So just add 1 more to complete this. And as we go, right, it will be more tighter and tighter. We have to make space for the insertion. And just push everything to the side, right, so that we have space to insert. This is the one that we did 5, and there will be 3 trees all surrounding. The next one we want to do is this one. The next 5, we have 4 petals here already, and we have 2 here, 2 sides of the deltoid. And add 2 more. And the last one will be here, this one. And we actually don't have just a few, 3 more left. And continue on. This is just now the one that we did. 3 all surrounding. The next 5 here, as usual, add this one is we add we have 2 sides of the deltoid, 1 and 2. Add 2 more. 1 and 2. And as you can see, right, we are not intentional to complete this 5. This is the last 5, which is opposite of the first one. It's the last one. And the last piece would go here. Where is it? Right, 4, right? So you can see that there's a 4 here and a 2 here. So just complete here. So this is the complete one. 60 units Kusudama color. And to recap, right, it follows 5 and 3. We have 5, and besides is all 3. And opposite, right opposite like this, in the diamond shape, deltoid shape, would be another 5. And besides the 5 is 3. You just go around all this to complete this.